Welcome to Tikilipat channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop showing recent history on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and type for File Explorer Options. And just open up File Explorer Options. Now from here, just make sure to uncheck all of this under Privacy. Just uncheck all of them. Show recent files, show frequently used folders, show files from office.com. Just uncheck everything and click on clear. Then just click on apply, click on OK. And after that, what you need to do is just go to settings. So just go to search and type for settings. Then just open up settings. Then just from here, go to personalization. Scroll all the way down to start. Just expand start. Now from here, what you need to do is just uncheck this, show recent edit apps. Just turn this off. Also turn off show recommendation for tips, shortcuts, new apps and everything. Just uncheck this as well. Also uncheck this one, show recommended files in start, recent files in Explorer. Just uncheck this as well. Then just minimize this. And if you go to start, as you can see, no recommendation is being shown and no recent history will be shown in the future as well. And basically that is how to stop showing recent history on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.